Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion Channel and welcome to another G-Vlog. Today I'm gonna swap a battery for this G-Shock watch. Pretty old model, and as you guys can see, like totally beaten up. I disassembled another watch called the GL160 model just like a few days ago, and that's why I know how to get through around the watch, and that is why I decided not to pull this watch strap out, because I know I could just remove it from this watch band adapter after all. So first of all, we're gonna need to remove the backplate of the watch, which could be accessed already. And since this part is soft, I could just take it out like that. If I remove this watch band, you know that it's gonna be really hard for me to put it back, especially when it's destroyed like this. So instead of removing it, I'm just gonna leave it like so, not disturbing it anymore. Just remove the adapter and it should be done. So in order to remove that, I need to remove this screw on the side here. And there it is. I just removed everything, and as you can see, I know that this adapter was locked with 3 screws, one over here in the middle and 2 on both sides of the adapter. So that's how easy it is to remove it. We already have our access to the interior, and as you guys can see, this part is really dirty. Everything in this watch is so dirty right now, so I'm gonna need to clean it up after this. But look at the interior, still clean. So that's how impressive this watch is, and how well the engine was protected with this, and this as well. So it operates on CR2016, and before I fully disassemble this watch, let's swap the battery and see how it works, if this watch broken or not, you know. So let's slide this thing in, a new battery, CR2016. And look at that, it's already lighting up. So now that I know the watch is working fine, so after I disassemble the watch, at least I'll have a rough idea that when I reassemble it back, it should work fine as well. So now let me remove this O-ring, first thing aside, and to remove the engine, I'm gonna need to remove this clip on top here, like that, and 2 of them at the bottom. Like that, and everything should came out right away. First of all is this battery compartment. So nothing much to see actually. First thing aside, and this is the electronics, the things that makes the watch works. All right, testing out, and there it is, including the display panel of this watch. All right, what makes this watch special is that it has a duplex type of display panel. What that means, that is 2 layers of display panel. So let me get to those right now. First of all, the things that you are going to see is this circuit board to power both of them, one at the top, one to the bottom. So as you guys can see, you have 2 connectors for the display panel, 2 connectors for the electroluminescent sheets or EL panel. All I need to do is just slowly take this part out, and this is the EL sheets and its compartment. put this thing in the back because nothing really special going on over there except for the huge size, and that's pretty cool. But yeah, pretty simple. And this is the display panel of the watch. Let me show you guys how it was built. And there it is, the bottom part for the back panel, the back layer, and the upper connector will be connected to this top layer, and this is the display panel compartment. So let me take this right here. This one came in transparent display and one came in closed display panel, one for the bottom and one connected to the top. I'm not sure if this is gonna be right or wrong, but I'm guessing this is why the display panel for both of this watch aren't as clear or crisp, because they're only depending on one connector to power up the entire display. Unlike most G-Shock watch will rely on two connectors, where one gonna power half and the other top gonna power the other half of the display panel. So gonna make that much better display, but in this case we have two of them, and that is really cool. And this part is pretty much basic. This is how most display panel would look like, and this one is the special part, the front layer. As you can see, it is full transparent, and this watch could swap the display color to blue or red. And if you look closely, you're gonna see that there's some blue accents down here. So when you turn the blue layer on, this watch will turn or focus on this blue layer only, and when you turn the red display on, it will light on the back part, which is really interesting. I still haven't able to figure it out how they were able to do so. I mean, obviously it's all work from this processing unit, but it is really interesting thing to take note of. It is really interesting to see how Casio are able to achieve this type of display panel way back in early 2000, and somehow they stopped using this and they apply this technology into the Pro Track lineups. So that is probably why no G-Shock watch today will came in a duplex type of display panel. Not that I know of, at least. Probably will remake this soon, but for now that is it that you're gonna have in this let's see now, where's the backplate? It's the G-3010 series G-Shock watch. I hope you guys found this video a little bit useful, informative, and entertaining as well for your future reference. Leave a like if this video does helping you, and don't forget to subscribe to see more G-Shock watch disassembly video like this coming up in the future. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and out.